Tired of ramen noodle dinners and living on a student budget? Let's turn your knowledge into cold, hard cash with Studypool. First, head over to Studypool.com and create an account. It's free and easy. Make sure to use a professional profile picture. First impressions matter. Once you're signed up, click on Become a Tutor. You'll need to pass a subject-specific exam to prove your expertise, so brush up on your best subjects. Now, let's talk documents. Got old essays, notes, or study guides? Upload them. The more high-quality documents you have, the more you earn whenever a student purchases them. Answering student questions is another fantastic way to make money. Be responsive, thorough, and offer clear explanations. The better your answers, the higher your ratings, and the more students will seek your help. Don't forget about freelancing. Studypool also allows you to offer services like essay writing, editing, and proofreading. Set your rates competitively and deliver top-notch work to build a strong reputation. Maximize your earnings by being active daily, promoting your services on social media, and always striving to provide the best possible support to your students. Consistent effort equals consistent income. Building a strong online teaching profile is key. Positive reviews lead to more students choosing you, so treat every interaction as an opportunity to showcase your expertise and build trust. So ditch the ramen, leverage your knowledge, and start earning with Studypool today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more money-making tips. Good luck!